Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Disney Hub account. So Disney Hub is for employee of Disney. So if you're an employee of Disney, you can log in into it. You just need to remember your login detail. If you're not an employee of Disney, you need to go to disney.com, not Disney Hub. Disney Hub is for employee and disney.com is for like common Disney users, all right? Like the customers of Disney in a simple term. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into Disney Hub. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Disney Hub login. After you search for Disney Hub login, just like I'm doing on my screen, it's going to show you prop.hub.disney.com. You want to click on this over here, Disney Hub. It's going to take you to the official website of Disney. Now wait for some time until the page loads up. Now once the page loads up over here, you need to enter your company's email ID or your ID. So just enter your ID over here. After entering your ID, click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. Now over here, you need to enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account, click on login with my ID. It says MYID, all right? And in a simple term, it's called my ID. Click on login with my ID. And if your company email or your ID you write over here is correct and your password is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Disney Hub account. And if you need help logging into a Disney Hub account, you can click on need help in order to log in into a Disney Hub. And if you want like Disney Hub to remember you, you can click on remember me. And every single time you come into Disney Hub, it's gonna, remember your login ID, like your email or your ID. And the only thing you need to remember is gonna be your passport. Once you come on your website, the email is gonna be entered automatically by Disney. You just need to enter your passport and click on login to log in into your account, all right? So that's what remember me does. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye until then.